This warning has been issued by the New Taylor State Weather Agency. This is an update to the extreme heat warning that has been issued on July 2, 2026 by the New Taylor State Weather Agency. Listen to this following message as it might save your life. We have some updates on the current state of the heat wave that has been raging in our state. But before continuing, here are the following instructions from the previous emergency broadcast that you must follow. First, you must stay hydrated. Second, keep your home cool at all times. Third, do not go outside for more than 4 hours. Fourth, do not panic and loot stores for air conditioning units. These instructions will repeat on all news channels every 2 hours. We will now continue. Temperatures are expected to stay at this level for the next 2 weeks. We understand that we may not have been reliable recently, but this has never happened before. We're checking our systems for any errors. We do acknowledge that we have got some of our weather predictions wrong, but never at this scale, which makes us believe more that there might be some foul play involved. However, we will not disclose more information in order to not cause panic, confusion, or misinform civilians, as most of our claims haven't been confirmed. Stay tuned for updates. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.